Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how we can simplify a mushroom with just using barbecue sauce from KFC or McDonald's. So let's go and see how it goes.
Life is awesome just like that.
Okay, we will be using any of your choice like McDonald's barbecue sauce or this KFC barbecue sauce and 4 cloves. On the heated pan, let's put 1 spoon of until it turns to golden brown. And we will put in the mushroom. So it's ready, and let's just put on our mushroom. Stir it. That smells so good. And after that, put a little bit of water. Okay. Next, this barbecue sauces from McDonald's and KFC, we have to put together in a small bowl with a little bit of water to mix it, and only we will pour into our mushroom together. And then we have to pour it on our pan. So this is our mushroom, and then we put this mixture together. Stir it well. Alright. Simmer this for at least another 3 minutes. You can cover it also. I think it is done. Ta-da! Wow! You can now off the fire and transfer this on a plate. Here is our mushroom with barbecue sauce, and on the top of that we can add some parsley leaves. Sprinkle some. Ooh, that's enough. So I hope guys you can try this at home, and it's very easy. Don't throw away your leftover barbecue sauce from the fast food. Let's recycle.